Respect isn't something you can demand, it's something you earn. In today's video, I'm breaking down 3 proven ways to gain women's respect, whether it's in friendships, relationships, or life in general. Without any delay, let's get started. 1. Master the art of self-respect. First, respect starts with you. Women respect men who know their worth. This means setting boundaries, standing by your principles, and investing in yourself. Self-improvement, whether it's through fitness, learning, or building your career, is key. When you respect yourself, it shows in everything you do. Respect starts from within you. 2. Be consistent in your actions. Women value men who are reliable and steady. Follow through on your promises. Show up when it matters, and avoid old talk and no action. Your actions are the loudest way to communicate who you are. Action speaks louder than words. 3. Communicate with confidence and empathy. Another way to get the respect of women is to master the art of communication. Speak with confidence, not arrogance, and always remain authentic. But remember, communication isn't just about talking. Listening attentively and showing empathy are just as important. Women respect men who make them feel heard and valued. Confidence and empathy go hand in hand. Respect is built over time through your actions, consistency, and how you carry yourself. Start with these 3 steps, and you'll not only earn the respect of women, but you'll also build stronger connections in every area of your life. If you watch up to this moment, this means you found some value in this video. So, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more self-improvement tips and how to reach greater peaks in life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.